One of the easiest to grow and vibrant flower of winters is the Gazania flower plant. It comes in so many colors and growing it is also very easy. So in this video, we will see a few tips and tricks to grow a lot of flowers on Gazania flower plant. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in Gazania flower plant care is understanding its season. Growing a plant in its ideal season will make it even more growing and resistant from pests and diseases. Gazania plant is a cool area plant. A little cool environment is best for growing Gazania plant fast and healthily. In temperate climate areas, its growing season starts in the winters and continues up to early summers. While in cold climate countries like USA, Gazania plant is grown as a summer's flowering plant. In such areas, the summer's temperature goes up to 30 degrees Celsius only, which is most ideal for Gazania plant. While in Asian countries, winter is most ideal due to its cold temperature range. So make sure you are growing Gazania plant in the right season. Winters for moderate climate areas, while summers for cold climate areas. Another important thing in Gazania plant care is to use a well-draining soil media. Gazania plant is hardy, but using an ideal mixture can promote even more growth and flowering. It likes a well-draining, slightly loose soil mix. In such a mixture, growth will be better, less problems will appear, and better flowering will happen. So, for making your soil media well-draining and loose, you can add 1 part of cocopeat and 1 part of sand in it. Or for making a free potting mix at home, you can also follow the description box video. Just make sure your Gazania soil is drying out time to time, it's not consistently moist. Another key thing in Gazania plant care is its proper location. It's a flowering plant, so obviously it loves a lot of sunlight. You can provide it at least 1 to 2 hours of sun, but around 5 to 6 hours of daily sun would work much better. The growth will be dull and stunted if it doesn't receive proper amount of light. So make sure of it. Winter's sun is very healing. You can place it even in full day of direct sunlight. Just make sure it's not placed in a shaded area. And you can also subscribe to our channel. Another important thing is the fertilization of Gazania plant. Gazania plant is a seasonal flowering plant that will produce buds and flowers no matter what. But with a good fertilizer, flowering will be more, better and brighter. The vibrant colors of flowers will appear, the size will be bigger. So to make this happen, we need a good fertilizer. For flowering plants, you need a nutrient-enriched, slightly acidic fertilizer. Don't worry, you can make it right at your home using some kitchen-based ingredients. Video on this fertilizer recipe is added in the description box. You can follow that and start applying it when your plants are 1 month old and then every 2 weeks. Another thing that will help you a lot is the deadheading. Once your Gazania plants starts producing flowers, you also have to remove the dead and dried flowers, otherwise the plant will start making seeds with these flowers, and then the plant will stop flowering and may die. It's because its life cycle is done. So to enjoy Gazania flowers a little longer, you can cut off these spent flowers and now the plant will push even more flowers. At the end of the season, when the temperature goes out of the ideal range, you can let some spent flowers on the plant so it can make seeds and collect them later, store them in a dark and dry area. You can sow them in the upcoming season. So it's all about Gazania flower plant care. Here is a detailed video exploring a lot of such winter season flowers. You can grow them along with Gazania plants and enjoy a heavenly view. And do subscribe to our channel for more videos.